There's a ladder in here. There's a ladder in here. Well, well, well. Mr. Richie is cutting the tree. Our neighbor is helping.
So therefore,
You don't have to forward fitting about.
yeah, I think that's right. Yeah, because I mean, say no, if one can in there, I'll shower, and he feel it, you know.
I might jump up on
All right, and I got that on video too. Be careful.
So stuff like this, right? These are the water damage from leakage.
Thank you. I'm 21.
But a different insurance now.
That's what I'm saying.
That different insurance. If they didn't realize this before, they could have filed a claim through the insurance.
Yes.
But I don't know if me that you.
This is so
The part
scary.
where you left. Where you left foot, there's. We see a whole brick switch up, move over a while ago.
Yeah, they become more than a rocket, you know.
Oh.
But a rocket man. Because what we do want to do, because after we get up this, may I take up that, I'm gonna take up, I'm gonna cut right, if I right side here, let's try to cut it out all. Get 1/2 yard or 2 yard of mall, man. And let's put it in here, and get the stamp out.
You dropped?
Yeah.
Oh no! Oh no! Be careful!
Drop. Yeah. Real? Real man, real.
This is crazy.
Yes, I am. We have to offer it. That's what we're going to drop to the floor. I do the pipe that.
Yeah.
Doodle pipe.
I think I can put a T in it. And take it from your support, so I'm not trouble like you say, like I say, I'm a problem, you know, brother.
No.
What do you mean? What?
Piping is in. New piping.
Do the problem to it. Come on, you can do the wrong thing, you're going to go. So I'm going to change it. Yeah. You get the right one?
Okay, so today we came back to the house and we're looking at the current status. As you just saw was the bathroom, and here are the walls. The walls in a few rooms are painted, and this is the color for one room. It is May 15th, moving in day. Here's the current status, guys. Yep. This is the floor. From there. Yep, this is the way it looks. Moving in day. Half the house is done. We got some floors in. Matter of fact, I'm not gonna show you that. This is the current status. So. We're at the house. It is moving day. Officially, finally, about time. It's moving day, but house is not done. But this is how it currently looks. So this is the back room, halfway done. This is the dining room with couches in it. This is the living room with one couch and a TV. This is the bedrooms. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2, bathroom as is, and then our room currently on moving day. On moving day. And bathroom. But that'll be handled later on. But right now, we are getting ready to go pick up the U-Haul to start moving in. What we can move in? Oh, I'm orange. All right, let's go. It's May 25th, and of course, The AC broke last night. It couldn't break in March when Oak will live here. No, wait till May when we in here living our best life. So the AC guys here fixing it. Another expense. Homeowner life, great. Okay, so we're still in the construction zone. Remodeling process. This is gonna be the last video that I'll be showing you guys before everything is done. Is that okay with you?
Yeah, that's fine.
So here's the current status before everything is completed. So let's see. All right, so this is the bedroom currently. Nothing's changed. It's still the storage room. Still storage. Over here is the bathroom's current state. We've got all the walls up over here. This is the shower. The shower floor is down, but not the tiling and nothing. On the other side of the room, this is our new closet. That's the light for the closet. The closet is a step down closet. This would be the closet. It's white, so you can't really tell what we're looking at. That's the bedroom. And then here's the closet. And then we have a door to go to the office. So there's the bedroom door and the closet door to go to the office. And then here's the current state of the office. Yes, so we've added recessed lighting in here. There was a one panel light that connected to there. It was like a big old panel in the middle. But we went ahead and installed some recessed lighting. So this room is also currently storage for all of their supplies. The rest of our flooring, some more walls, hurricane shutters, you know. So yeah. And that is the current state of the house. Like I said, it's gonna be the last clips you see of the house before the final reveal of these 3 rooms and the entire house. So, whew, thanks for watching so far, guys.